Hi guys, welcome back to another Techers Clan video. Basically what I'm doing this video, I've been doing loads of these Ronaldinho SBCs. I only have one left, and I've got like loads of rewards, so I'm going to be opening basically all my packs and stuff. And by the way, I'm not the person who was doing like the tutorial of the Ronaldinho thing. I have quite a lot of packs. I'll show you first. I'll start off with the normal special packs. I have 8 OP special packs. This might be a long video. Okay, let's start with the special packs. Okay, this is probably some of the worst packs. Well, there's like other bad ones. Like at the top, like 17 plus Brazil one. Actually, I think I opened that. Okay, this could be good. 30% team of the season pack. Oh, icon. Please, prime moments. Prime. Is it prime? It's prime. Come on. Is it? No, it ain't. No, wait. I am so dumb. Next, team of the week. No team of the week. I'm actually so dumb. I thought that was a prime. Because I still like the things on the bottom. And I swear I'm dumb. Whoa, that card don't even look like a real person. Hey, bad. Okay, these are the OP special packs. Let's open these. Icon. I will now prime this time. Please be prime. It's not prime. No, it's embarrassing. Zaggy. I have so many of these. Okay, that was bad pack. Come on, these are meant to be good. I'm getting no walkouts. Come on, is that normal gold or is it icon? I didn't see. Okay, normal gold. I have every gold, so this is gonna be Mbappe. Oh, Kante. It's right. Everyone loves Kante. Bad. One more icon. Okay, come on. Be prime, please. It's not prime. Hopefully we can. Oh, go on, Pele. Come on, please. Rivaldo. Let's go. Okay. Open 100% random pack. Please be good. Okay. Wait, what's this? Come on. Okay, this can be good. This has potential. No, it doesn't. At least it's alright, but could have got better. Let's do some player picks. I'll take Trippier. England 1. Come on, it's coming in. 85 to 88 pick. Michael Owen. You'll have a good Michael Owen. Team of the year. Well, not obviously. Team of the year nominee. Greenish. We need to play him against Scotland. Take a Doherty. Also, Ericsson with the collapse. It was really sad, but now he's back up, which is really good. That's one of these. Take team of season. 86 to 89 pick. I have 2 of these. Take a Bamian. Higuain. Haven't seen him in a long time. Okay, these are the good ones. Special card, an 87 to 89. It's another one of these cards. What are they called? I don't know. But, any like flashback? I don't know. Mexican, LA Galaxy. Hernandez. Oh yeah, I knew that, but team of the season, 88 to 89. Come on, be good. Come on. It says potential. French. Oh, It's it Cam Nkoon. Yeah, I can't say his name. Nkoon. He's alright. This is a left winger. I got this from the Ronaldinho thing. Come on, walk out. Oh. Gonna be a left wing. Insigne. Okay. 87 to 90 Premier League pick. Not pick, like player thing. I don't know what they actually only get one player. Come on. Brazil. Liverpool. It's Fabinho. That's a good card actually. Another one of these. Oh, is that Champions League card? Yes, it is. England. Man United. Let's go. Rashford. Yeah. What's that? Team of the season Premier League card. 89 to 94. Come on. I'm excited for this one. Come on. Come on. Please be good. English. Man United. Go on, that's actually good. Is it Rashford again? Let's go. 93, team of the season Rashford. I'm going to screenshot that. That's actually good. Oh, get off my screens. Okay, staying every bit. There we go. Okay, that was actually good. Syria, 85 plus pick. Thought freeze bad. Bad. Okay, one left. This is going to be bad. I can get up to 87. That was actually alright pack opening. I'm going to quickly show you these SVCs. I have one left, this Brazil. Well, comment down below if you can help. It's hard. I literally can't do it. I've been even trying to watch YouTube. It's hard. I've been trading so much to get stuff from these SBCs. I've literally been giving 200k for bronze players. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you want to trade as well. I'm going to do some trades. But I hope you enjoyed. Bye.